Hello kids! Today, we are going to learn the names of flowers, letter by letter. Let's start and have some fun. R is for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Look at this beautiful red rose. S is for sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Wow, look at the big, bright sunflower. D is for daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Here's a pretty daisy. T is for tulip. T-U-L-I-P. Tulip. This is a tulip. O is for orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D. Orchid. Look at this orchid. M is for marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. This is a marigold. V is for violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Here's a pretty violet. L is for lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Look at this lovely lily. Great job, kids! Now you know the names of some beautiful flowers and how to spell them letter by letter. JD's Learning Crew.